Here's a great deal on a 2018 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck just recently passed the 10,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, power front seats, a rear step bumper, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.